Is this on? Oh, okay. Hey YouTube, it's me again. So, I didn't get many views last time. It's kind of disappointing. I think I had 3. Yeah, I believe it's 3. That looks like it too. 3. Okay. So, yeah, I hope this one will be better and get more views, but probably not. Let me think. Oh yeah, the Bad Romance parody that I told you about last video, if you actually watched it, I don't think I'm doing that anymore because it wasn't really going very well. So, oh my gosh, my hair is horrible. Let's see. Sorry. So yeah, it wasn't going along, wasn't getting along. So I just kind of stopped. But since I gave up, on it, you guys can tell me down there in the comment box. If you can see where I'm pointing, down in the comment box. Okay, so tell me what parody I should do, and since I didn't get many views last time, tell me what kind of hat I should wear. Here, 1 second. Okay, so this is the hat I like, but I don't know. Do you think it works for me? Fedora? Maybe? I don't know. Well, okay. So, yeah, tell me what kind of hat I should wear. And, so yeah, just hat, comment, tell me what parody I should do. And if I'm gonna even do parodies anymore, I might just make my own music videos to songs instead. Or I might do both. But, yeah. So, oh yeah, it was awesome. So today at school we have pajama day, and I wore my Mario pajama shirt. Oh yeah, isn't it sexy? It's amazing. Yep, it's ninja. Okay, so yeah, you're jealous of my pajamas. Yep, the Mario. Oh, look at my pants. Look at those. Oh, those are so sick. Mario riding Yoshi. Isn't that just amazing? Yep. Sorry, I'm kind of doing this on an iPod, so it sucks pretty badly. But, oh yeah, I don't really know how to edit videos, so that's why these are really, really crappy. So you can tell me, if you can tell me how to do it through a comment or just a message, that would be great, and I would love you forever, because that's just amazing if I could do that. So, I think that's everything. Hat. See, so hat. Parodies. Editing. I think that's it. So yeah. You probably thought this video was lame. And yes, it probably is. But it's only my second video, and yes, this is actually a 2, not a 3. It's a 2. Okay, so second video, 2, number 2. But yeah, want to see my bird? It's pretty stupid. Say hi, birdie. Birdie. Yeah, see, it's lame. Okay. So yep. Other than that, I think that's it. But yeah, my bird's pretty cool but stupid. Doesn't do anything but quacks at you. Not quack, squawk at you when you're watching videos. So yep, it's pretty ghetto. Yeah, and I hate the wallpaper on my wall, so just ignore that. Please, I hate it. Don't comment on it. So don't be a hater. Give me one of these. One of these down there, down there. This, not this. Give me this. Please, this one. Because I like this, not that. That's just mean. That's for haters. That's mean. Okay? So, that's fun. Try it. So, yep. Okay, then. I will try to post a video next week. Adios.